Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today we have our Chinese Dunce Cap succulent plant, and you can see that we have a lot of babies within this 1 month. Okay, they all used to blast from one single plant which lies within the mid of the whole plant. Okay, so it used to give a lot of babies. Okay, which used to be on the tips of the tentacles. Okay, like this you can see that. Okay, now this one and all these leaves are there. This plant's botanical name is Orostachys Iwarenge. Okay, now we can see that we have a lot of baby plants here, and we will choose which needs to be which we can take for our propagation. Okay, now we will cut some of the plants, some of the baby plants. Okay, now this one is also one of the plant. Okay, now we can take our scissor. Okay, now we will cut the plants with the help of forceps. Now I have cut it out. Yeah, this one, you can see this is one single stem. Okay, and usually their propagation success rate is like 99%. Okay, we can go for second one. As it is a succulent plant, so they can survive in very harsh environment. Okay, if there is like less water and more sun, although if it is summer sunlight or summer sun, direct sun, then you need to keep it in the semi shade. Okay, like 1 hour or 2 hour of morning sunlight is okay. And yeah, like this. Okay, now we have taken our second one, the second cutting, this one. Okay, now we will go for our third one. And we can select it out. Now this one we can take this one. Okay, now we have taken this thing. Within the same year you can make like hundreds of plants from a single plant. Yeah, you can see every baby plant can turn into a into a huge plant after some days. So you can make how many plants you can. Okay, now we can go and we can search for our now let all the cuttings to be dry to heal their wounds. Okay, so we can wait for 1 day at least. Now our cuttings are dried and their wounds are totally healed. Now we have taken a mixture of simple garden soil and sand. It is a well drained media. You can use simple like what's called as simple garden soil if you want. This plant can survive in a lot of medias. Okay, so although better is to take a mixture of like 30% sand and 70% simple garden soil. Okay, now this is our first cutting, and it has some sort of roots as well, some sort of aerial roots. Okay, now you can go for the second one. Just put it in the media, insert it in the media. Okay, and if succulents are inserted inside the media, usually the success rate is nearly 100%. Okay, even their leaves and each and every part of the plant used to make a new plant. So don't worry about it. We have given some bit water. Okay, now after 30 days, okay, now you can see that after 1 month we can see that we have a lot of plants. Okay, a lot of plants that used to be formed from 3 cuttings. Okay, so now we will take them out. We will take all the plants out. Okay, now you can see the rooting. Okay, this one, the root, although the rooting is not so much like deep, these are the shallow roots, but still it is good that we have got some progress. The plant is in very good condition and healthy. Okay, now this one. Okay, now this one, you can see the rooting here. Now this one. Now you can see all the cuttings, all the small plants, not the cuttings but the rooted plants are on the table. You can see them properly. Now we again can insert into the pot so that they can grow again. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.